Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Viranjaniwala. I am from BBA PPU first year batch. Today, I am here to present an interesting topic of an Microsoft Excel, which is absolute and mixed referencing. First of all, I thank Raju sir for giving me this opportunity to present my presentation in front of you all. Let's begin. First of all, we see what is absolute referencing. Absolute referencing is a referencing which helps you to freeze a cell and formula to use in multiple cells. And for freezing, we need $sign. So let's begin with mixed referencing. Mixed referencing is a mixture of relative referencing and mixed referencing, relative referencing and absolute referencing, in which you can only freeze row or a column. So let's begin with practicals. So as you can see, I prepare an Excel sheet of students' marks A, B, C. So I need to calculate their percentage. So I need to use absolute referencing for this. So let's begin. First of all, give a equals to sign, bracket E2 by H1, bracket close, enter. 73%. But if we drag it, error has shown. For this, we need to use absolute referencing. So how we can use absolute referencing is, first of all, we press F2. We need to add $sign behind and after, before and after of H. So now 70. Now let's drag it. As you can see, all the percentage of all students has come. Now let's begin with mixed referencing. So here I need subject-wise percentage. So I give equals to sign over here, bracket B2 by F2, bracket close. The percentage of mathematics of student A has come. As you can see, if we drag it, all the students of subject mathematics, all the percentage of mathematics has come. But we need for physics and chemistry also. So we need to freeze row for this. First of all, let's see what's happened if we drag it over here. Like error has also come. Like error has come here. So let's begin. So modify the formula. Function F2. So I need to freeze row. So I give before $sign before F. So let's see, enter. Now let's drag it. As you can see, all the percentage of all subject has come. Now let's see the shortcut key for absolute and mixed referencing. So you can do with F4. If you like, if you press function F4, the dollar sign has removed. But if you again press function F4, the dollar sign of absolute referencing has come. And once again it comes. Once again, as you can see, for row it has come. It's become mixed referencing for column. So, and now for it comes from for row. As you can see, now if we press it, it dismissed. Oh, what happened? So that's all from my side. Thank you.